In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to add an image to the Digital Hill content management area on a selected page. So first of all, what we need to do is log into our manager area. I've got a tab open. I've already logged into mine, noted by the red toolbar at the top, which allows you to add, edit, or delete your information. So what I want to do is edit a page called About Us underneath Business. There's my page. I select that. You can see about us information. I've got some lorem ipsum text in here just for demonstration purposes. So I highlight that. I select that area. I select where I want the image to go. So I want the image in the upper left-hand corner, so I'm going to put my cursor there. At that point, I can select the image manager icon. So this is the icon I want to select. I go ahead and click on that. It comes up with the image manager. Sunset is the image that I want to put in there. So that image is already in the image manager, and it will always be there. If I want to add it, delete that image, I can do that by selecting this little triangle, which will allow me to delete that. I'm going to go ahead and delete that to show you how to add an image back in here. So I've deleted that image. I now go up to Upload, which will allow me to upload an image from my desktop or hard drive. I click Choose Files. It comes up with a screen that allows me to choose a file from my desktop. So on my desktop, I have a sunset.jpg. That's the image I want. So I select that, click Select, add that in here. If you want to add more images, you can simply add more images by clicking that button, add additional images to upload at one time. I have the image I want, so I'm going to go ahead and click Upload to Server. The taskbar goes across. It's 100%. I click the X. My sunset image is now back in there. So I want to add that to this page. I click on the image. It inserts it into the page, but it's pretty small and so forth. So what I want to do is go ahead and select that image rather, grab a corner, pull that image larger. So that looks a little better. I want to make that about that large. Now the image is still selected. I don't like the text is pushed all the way down. I want to wrap it around the image, maybe add a little padding to this image so that the text isn't right up against that image, so it's a little easier to read. So with the image selected, I right click on the image, select Insert/Edit Image. It pops open another window that shows me the image URL or the location of that image. I can enter in a description, which is good for search engine optimization. So sunset, I can choose to align that left. So I choose left. That'll push that image to the left and wrap the text around it. I can change the dimensions here, but I've already grabbed a corner and the image is already the size that I want. So I'm going to leave those set. I'm going to create a border of 2 around that. So that'll create a nice border around the image, a black border. Vertical spacing and horizontal spacing are the padding I mentioned earlier around the image. So I'm going to make those 15 on each of those so it's consistent around there. I'm going to click Update, and as you can see, my image is now justified to the left. The text is wrapped around it, and I've got padding around that image. So I'll go ahead and save this page by clicking the blue icon, and my page is saved. That is our tutorial on how to add an image utilizing the digitalhill.com content management system. Thank you.